Good morning. It's Vijay here. Welcome to yet another episode of Market Pre-Market Commentary. Today is March 28th, Friday. Yesterday was a fascinating day, and the real reason why it was fascinating than other days was that the last couple of days the markets had fallen. Actually, 3 days in a row they had fallen, and the technical analysts were talking of an evening star, which meant that the market should open gap lower and then keep coming down. The market gap down, but that was the opening lows were held through the day. Yesterday was also the weekly settlement, monthly settlement, and the annual settlement for NSE related stocks, especially Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now, Bank Nifty again led Nifty yesterday, and again, the cost of repeating, Bank Nifty should lead this market, and yesterday PSU banks did very well. Now, what was fascinating about yesterday was when we started, we came with bad news where Trump had put a 25% tariff, permanent tariff is what he calls, on automobiles, and so the auto stocks were under pressure from minute one. Now, and also Ashok Leyland had some problem because the promoters had pledged their shares, and so that was as far as Ashok Leyland coming down is concerned. But other four-wheeler stocks also had a problem. But I would like to go back to an old adage of the market, which says price is God, or Bhav Bhagwan Che. In Gujarati, Bhav Bhagwan Che means price is God. At least for that moment, price is God for the day. And yesterday, market should have come down because it was down globally. Markets were down, but yet Indian market stood up against the entire downward drift. This is in direct contrast to what was happening in the last 5 months, last 6 months, when the global markets were up, Asian markets were up, Europe, US, all were up, but India was struggling, and every day there was heavy selling by FIs. So yesterday, FIs held the market, and there was good amount of rollover. The rollover is positive. So one should not just look at what happens globally. One should look at what is happening locally, and locally, lots of good things are happening. So what are the cues this morning? Yesterday, Nifty closed above 100 DMA, recovering 150 points from the day's low. Mid cap, small cap, everything was up. PSU banks were the biggest sectoral gainers. FMCG, uh, realty, energy, everything was doing well. Nifty Metal closed about 200 DMA. As I said, Nifty Auto hit a was 1 week low. Pharma also declined. Auto and pharma are under pressure because of the April 2 deadline of Trump. So Wall Street had its second straight week of gains despite weak session, but it had problems yesterday and day before yesterday. So cash market, what happened? FIS bought about 11,101 crores, which means for the month now they are positive. Till yesterday they were 4,000 crores negative, so now they are 7,000 crores positive. So today is the last day of the month. So we have to see if so long as they don't sell 7,000 crores, this will be the first month in many months where FI will be net positive, which is a remarkable thing. Especially March is a bad month for the market, but this time the March has been completely different. We had 5 consecutive months of bad months. Sixth month March has broken that trend. DI is about 2,500 crores. So that is as far as the cash market is concerned. Dow Jones, Nasdaq, S&P, FTSE, Tax, CAC, all of them were down, as I mentioned yesterday. Commodities, now oil is steady at 73. Gold and silver, I'll talk about this in my special weekend session. I think both of them have broken out, but I would like to wait one day because silver normally gets hammered on Friday. So I would like to see how silver behaves today. If silver continues to show its strength, then I think that is the metal to be in for the next few months and maybe years. We are heavily invested in silver, so we are completely biased. 40% of our portfolio is in precious metals. Out of that, two-thirds are in silver, so which means at least 25% of our portfolio, overall portfolio, is in silver. And so how did the Indian ADRs play out? They were generally in the positive territory. HDFC Bank and Wipro were very good. Infosys was flat. ICICI Bank slightly down, and Reddy's Lab was also flat. So as far as the trade negotiations which are going on, Piyush Goyal The Commerce Minister talks of that they're progressing well, and they will take all sector stakeholders into consideration. And Indian industry is very excited as far as he is concerned. So there is another final important thing which I need to mention here about RBI. RBI and SEBI are doing their work very diligently, very silently, without any, what shall I say, controversy or something. So now RBI is set to free up foreign capital inflows by changing foreign exchange management rules. So they are relaxing some of the rules. They are doubling the investment capacity to 10% for all individual foreign entities in a single entity investing in a single company. Then RBI is set to raise combined holding limit to 24% from 10% now for all individual foreign investors. So individual foreign investors can come into the country. Now they've got a 24% cap. Previously it was a 10% cap. So that should augur well for dollars. So what is happening is slowly and steadily things are working for the better. There are lots of doomsdayers. People are saying there will be a recession. We should run away from equity. Next 5 years, there is going to be no chance of Indian equity going to the recent highs, which we saw in September of 2024. So, and these guys are big guys, and these guys are what we call fin influencers. Of course, I am taking the opposite side, as people who follow my channel would know. And if you like my channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Please bring in friends. We are going slowly, but okay. Something is better than nothing. And we're also getting good comments and also some critique. I would love to hear both bouquets and brickbats so that we can improve as we go along. I will continue to be bullish till there is something dramatic which happens. And I said Bhav Bhagwan Che because if Trump is going to put all these barriers on 2nd, which is Wednesday, 2nd of April, then why is the market going up? So the smart people in the market know that whatever happens on April 2nd will not affect the market as much as what people fear it to be. Once that is taken care of, then you will have a good rally, I suspect. Something like the Y2K issue 25 years ago, when the whole world, especially the media, had drummed up that markets will collapse because of the Y2K issue. Incidentally, another time happened in 2003 when the second Gulf War took place. Again, media tried to scare the people. When the war started, the prices went up in March of 2003. Similarly, after 1st of January, on 3rd of January, the first trading day, Indian market went up by about 7%. So I feel we should not fear. I feel we should look at prices. The prices are telling that they don't want to go up. They want to go up. They don't want to go down. They want to go up. So I think we should be with the prices because Bhav Bhagwan Che. Thank you for joining me. Have a good trading day.